Hey everyone, wondering if someone's blocked you on Instagram? Today I'll show you the definite signs to look for that confirm you've been blocked, not just unfollowed. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and type in the person's exact username. Step 3. If their profile doesn't appear in search results at all, even when typing their complete username, this is your first sign they might have blocked you. Step 4. Try to find them through a mutual friends following or followers list. If you can see them there but still can't access their profile when you tap on it, that's another strong indicator. Step 5. If you have access to another Instagram account, try searching for the person from that account. If you can find them there but not on your main account, this confirms you've been blocked. Step 6. Check your DM history with the person. If you've previously messaged them but now the chat shows user not found or Instagram user, they've likely blocked you. Step 7. Try at mentioning the person in a comment or post. If Instagram doesn't recognize the username as valid when you're typing it, no autocomplete suggestion appears, they've probably blocked you. And there you have it. Any one of these signs alone could be explained by other factors. But if you notice multiple indicators, especially if you can find the account from a different profile, you've almost certainly been blocked. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.